Guys, good morning. Ayan guys, oras na naman ang pagluto guys. Ito guys, pork with beans guys. Ito guys, bilog-bilogin ko siya guys. Naghugas na ako guys. Ito siya guys. Bilog-bilogin ko siya guys. Tapos ipiprito ko siya guys. Namarinate to siya guys na may cornstarch. Tapos may chicken powder. Ayan guys, piniprito ko na guys. Ayan guys, ito na guys. Ayan guys, nilagay ko na yung Baguio beans guys. Baguio beans na nakalata guys. Ito guys, niyalo ko siya. Guys. Ayan guys, luto na yung pork with beans natin guys. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. See you next video.